Hey fam, this is your girl Candy coming to you with another video, and today's video is another crochet braid video. I am in the process of completing the braid pattern for this look, but I didn't, show you guys the detail of it because I already have a dedicated detailed video showing you guys how I achieved this look for the braid pattern. So I will link that one in the box below so that you guys can check that out. But what I'm doing is just finishing up the braid pattern right now. I did this upward braid pattern with a beehive in the center, and that will give her some type of versatility in the event that she chooses to pull her hair up in a ponytail. Then it would not be too detectable. Her braids would not be too detectable underneath the crochet hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So as you can tell, we're only left with one piece of braiding hair that's hanging, and you just want to ensure that you braid that out to the very ends to keep her hair protected. And of course, you're going to use the crochet tool to tuck that end away so that the hair is nice and seamless. Yeah, so this is the hair we're using, the Freetress deep twist, and the color is 1B30, a absolutely beautiful blend. This is what the hair looks outside of the package. I love the texture and the shine on this hair, not too overly shiny and not too dull. All right, so we're just inserting the tool, attaching the hair, pulling it through, put it, twist, put, twist, pull, and tighten. It's not that easy, but yeah. All right, let's see if we can do that again in a more meaningful way. For the second piece, you insert the crochet tool, attach the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through. Use your fingers to pull the hair through, twist, pull through, and twist. Then you slide towards the root to tighten. Attach, pull through, pull it through, twist, pull through, twist, pull through, twist, and slide to tighten. And for this here, I'm using very small pieces, you guys. That's why I'm able to knot it only 2 or 3 times. If you use bulkier pieces of hair, you find that you have to put in like more knots, way more knots, in order for the hair to stay secure and not slip out. So using small pieces of hair helps a lot, especially around the edges, to make the hair look nice and neat. And in terms of the spacing, you want to give it about a 1/2 inch spacing in order to not make the hair look too bulky and overly fake. Of course, yes, it's obvious that the hair is fake, but when you have a ton load of hair on your head, it makes it look even, faker, in my opinion. Let me, reinforce that point. So I'm just spacing the hair out about a 1/2 inch. And yeah, that will give you moderate volume. All right, so that we can give you a close-up of the process. Pull it through, twist, twist, pull it through, twist, twist, pull it through, and slide it to tighten. So this is a more slowed down version than the ridiculous fast pace that was going on in the back. Attach to the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through, pull the hair through, twist, pull the hair through, twist, pull the hair through, twist, and slide. And as you guys can see, sometimes I do it twice, sometimes I do it 3 times, depending on the size of the piece of hair that I am installing at the time. All right, so we're pretty much done for the most part. So now we are trying to create that knotless or invisible part. So I'm going to show you guys. I attach the hair just the same way I would with the rest of the hair. However, with the knotless part, what you do is you only pull through one of the 2 pieces of hair. Then you twist and then pull it taut to tighten, and you flip one side over the other. Use your hand to kind of spread the hair out just to provide the coverage that you are looking for. And very importantly, what I do next is important. I pull a tiny piece of hair from either side and I make a knot with those 2 tiny pieces of hair. That secures your knotless part in place, so you don't have to worry about the hair, you know, loosening or sliding out. And you're just gonna repeat that process, you know, all along this row that I'm on and the other one on the opposite side. Again, pushing the tool through the braid, attaching the hair, closing the latch hook, pulling it through, pulling only one side through, twisting, making a knot, flipping the hair over, pulling one side, a tiny piece of hair from one side, and a tiny piece of hair from the other, making a knot, and reinforcing that knot a couple of times. And you flip it over. And that's pretty much the invisible part process, you guys. So you just complete that along the entire row and the other side. Yeah, and here we have the finished look, you guys. As you can see, it has a nice ombre look with the pops of highlighted color number 30 peeking through. That's what the invisible part looks like. You see absolutely no braids showing. You know, the volume is quite, you know, moderate, but not too big, not too small, just right. And yeah, on the outside the wind was doing the most. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Flip that here. Yes, everything everything. Yes, give us everything. Awesome, awesome, awesome.